Today we're making the most famous comfort food, mac and cheese, but we're gonna make it super cheesy. Perfectly creamy, oozing with flavor, it's a dish bound to satisfy your cheesy cravings. This mac and cheese recipe is cheesy perfection that will leave everyone coming back for more. You may say it's comfort food at its cheesiest. Yeah? No? Okay. So let's get into it. In a heavy bottom pot set to medium heat, add 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of flour. Using a heavy bottom pot ensures even heat distribution and helps stop the sauce from burning. Mix the flour and butter together with a wooden spoon, cooking until it just forms a smooth paste. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. The flour and butter should emit a light toasted almond smell. Be attentive when making the roux to avoid browning. Browning can alter the color and flavor of your sauce and its thickening power. Gradually pour in 1/3 of the 1.5 liters of milk while stirring constantly. Adding the milk gradually while stirring prevents lumps from forming and ensures a smooth, creamy sauce. Now, if you like your cheese sauce a little thicker like I do, you only need to add 1 liter of milk instead of 1.5 liters. Once the milk has thickened and becomes smooth, add another 1/3 of the milk mixture and continue mixing until the mixture is nice and smooth. Now, switch to a whisk to make sure there are no lumps and add the rest of the milk. Vigorously whisk to achieve a lump-free, creamy consistency. Bring the mixture to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Continue to stir to ensure you don't burn the bottom of the sauce. Now turn off the heat and add in 1 tablespoon of mustard and stir in 200 grams of cheese until it's fully melted. Season with a pinch of nutmeg, a bit of salt, and some pepper to taste. I make this in bulk so I can freeze it in portion size amounts so I can have a sauce that's ready to go at any time. Once your cheese sauce is ready, pour 1 to 2 ladles of it into a pan and bring it up to temperature. Make sure the cheese sauce is hot before adding your pasta. This ensures that the pasta absorbs the cheesy goodness. Add in 300 grams of cooked Scooby-Doo pasta or any pasta you like to the hot cheese sauce and mix well. Make sure all the pasta is coated with the cheesy goodness. Now here's my secret to making it super cheesy. Just before topping your mac and cheese with more cheese, toss in a few half-inch cubes of mozzarella or your favorite cheese. This step is going to add an extra layer of gooey, cheesy goodness. Say that 3 times fast. Now mix in the cheese cubes so they're evenly distributed throughout the dish, creating pockets of cheesy delight. Top the dish with grated cheese for an irresistible golden cheesy top and place it under the broiler. Cook until the cheese is golden brown and melty, usually about 2 to 3 minutes, but keep a close eye on it to prevent it from burning. Now, serve hot to fully enjoy the rich, cheesy flavors of my super cheesy mac and cheese. This is the perfect comfort food for any occasion, or if you just need a me night to sit down and indulge. There you have it, my super cheesy mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you give it a try, and if you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And until next time, FOOD-DEE out.